Hey everyone, I'm here to introduce you to an exciting new addition to the Griot's Garage line of products, our ceramic glass coating. It's our most explosive glass protection yet. This easy to apply SiO2 powered glass coating drastically improves your safety by creating exceptional visibility by instantly repelling water from your line of sight. Ceramic glass coating's durability, it's in a class of its own. It's our longest lasting glass protectant by far and retained its extreme repellency 6 times longer than other leading competitors also containing SiO2. Despite what you might think, ceramic glass coating is easy to apply. It takes about 30 minutes and lasts up to 12 months on windshields and 24 months on wiper-free glass. One of the least fun road experiences to have with a bare windshield is on a dark country road in a torrential downpour. Arguably worse is encountering a tractor trailer on the highway while rain's coming down in buckets, especially in the dark. And those windshield wipers, they're working overtime and can't maintain visibility, sometimes for seconds at a time, obscuring the pavement markings and other vehicles around you. Having clear visibility in harsh conditions helps avoid hazards and collisions and could end up saving your life. On a lighter note, not only does it provide exceptional repellency, this ceramic glass coating works as a protective shield to repel dirt, dust, and pollen, keeping your glass cleaner longer. Bug jerky removal will be noticeably easier, as well as dealing with the removal of ice, salt, and frost in the winter months. It's exceptionally resistant to windshield wiper abrasion, which is why ceramic glass coating will last more than just a few seasons. And while it's impossible to predict how long it will be before your second application, I'm confident betting you'll have a birthday or two before you find it necessary to reapply. If your vehicle's glass is bare, or if you've been using a product that wears off in a few weeks, then you're ripe for some ceramic glass coating. So let's get into how easy it is to apply. First, you're going to want to start with clean glass. We recommend using our foaming glass cleaner or ultra premium glass cleaner and one of our glass towels, giving a thorough wipe down and flipping to the low nap side for that final buff. We highly recommend claying your glass with our glass cleaning clay, Brilliant Finish synthetic clay, or surface prep mitt to ensure your glass is thoroughly decontaminated. If any hard water spots are still visible, give your glass a polish with fine glass polish and a glass polishing pad, either by hand or with a random orbital like our G8 or G9. Once your glass is prepped, wrap the included microfiber suede cloth around the applicator block and apply coating to it. Use straight, overlapping passes and spread the coating over the glass, then allow it to set up for about 10 minutes. Next, follow with a second coat directly over the first coat in overlapping passes in the opposite direction of that first coat, just to ensure full coverage, and allow that to set up for 10 minutes. Lastly, using a clean, dry microfiber towel, wipe off the coating residue. Flip the towel to a clean side and buff until clear. Driving in stormy weather will become a more enjoyable, less stressful experience with the help of ceramic glass coating's extreme, visible water beading and durability. Here's to your next rainstorm. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook, or check out our website at griotsgarage.com. Thank you for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.